2, 3, 4. What's up, YouTubers? This is Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles, and today we're doing Sympathy for the Devil, R.I.P. Charlie Watts. Alright, so I did this song 4 years ago, but so this is a revamp. Alright, let's get to it. Standard tuning, we got 1, 2, 3, 4 chords. E major, song is in E major. 1, 2, 3. We got D major. We got A major. Okay, so that's the verses. For the chorus, they go to B. 2, 3. Don't have to bar it. B like that. We can play B7. 1, 2, 3. Or mix those two up. So different ways we can play this. Can just do the regular strumming for more like beginners, but then I like to do little things like that when I play this live. Let's get to that a little bit later. So the switching is E major, 1, 2, 3, 4, D major, T, 4, A major, 3, 4, and E, 2. That's verses. E, 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 E. Chorus, we go to B. B7 if you want. And throw in a pinky there on the G. So the strumming is let's do those double stops or whatever you call it. So since we're in E, I'm going to start with grabbing a third of the E on the A string, which is 9th fret. This is cool stuff. 11 on A, and then 9, 9, D, G. Sliding up from 9. And then same thing over D, we're gonna grab the third of D, same shape, just now it's from 9 instead. And then over A, we're gonna grab a third of A, same shape, so that's 4, 2, 2. Mix it up. Cool. So that's this whole song, 4 chords. E, D, A for the verses. And for the chorus, pleased to meet you. B this way, or you can play B7. And then we got the... Cool. Thanks for tuning in, guys. I'll see you tomorrow with more awesome hits. Be safe. Take it easy.